There I am on the greenbelt. It's a bit nicer than it was before, but we'll see how far this goes. Hopefully it'll take me all the way to the campsite. Before and after 428, it really kind of clears up into these big open fields. And then once you get back kind of in the trails, you get more into the tree-covered areas that are nice and cool. I had to put on another layer as I was riding through here because it got a little chillier with that sun setting. But it's a nice path. Everything felt great kind of riding up there. The bike didn't, complain a ton, but it did really well on hauling all the gear. And then here you see I'm entering into the bottom part of Lake Ray Roberts Park. This area you can camp, and this is actually where I did my first bike camping trip and stayed just right here in this camp. And then here in a little bit you'll see I'm about to climb the monster mountain on the way up to the main park. So that is the dam for Ray Roberts Lake, and I'm about to climb a road up that. You'll see it here in a second. I've had to walk up this hill in the past. Let's see how a checkpoint does. Up we go. Seven miles an hour up the hill. 6 miles an hour. Come on, legs. Almost done. You can hear me grinding gears because I didn't want to go to the lowest chainring up front. The bike handled it and had no trouble climbing in that top gear, but it did really well. So you can hear it grinding away. Beep. Sorry, kids. I can't believe I'm actually making it. Come on, legs. You got it.
Ain't no pleasure without the pain. That was a 4% grade. I don't see how them pro dudes do that shit. So I'm gonna go with traffic for a little bit. Here we are. That's the greatest hill ever, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Howdy, howdy. And here's my site.
So I settle in for the night. I had packed enough wood just to get a fire started, but needed more. So you can see I loaded up my bike with a lot more wood. It was pretty sketchy loading it up with that much, but I got it back and started a fire. Nice chill evening. Once I had the fire going, I string the lights up around my tent. Nice little feature you can set up with called L rope. I got on Amazon years ago. But set that up and then started looking for my mess kit. I soon discovered that I had left my utensils at home. I had to go to a neighboring campsite to see if anybody had any silverware I could borrow. A pleasant family actually lent me these. This is my Mountain House chili mac that I'd made. It was quite delicious.
It's me again. So that was pretty much the trip up the Greenbelt. It was a very nice ride, comfortable along the way, especially with the bike loaded down like I had it. But it did real well on the climbs. As you can see in the video, that nice steep grade at the end towards the park. But after that, kind of just camped and chilled for the evening. Hey, thanks again for watching so long. Hopefully these little journeys entertain y'all. And I'm actually gonna record another one this weekend. A little faster pace trip up to same place to camp again. Enjoy some time away. Much needed a break and much needed bike time. But thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The end of the journey was really me packing up in the morning, getting some coffee. Took me about 5-something hours to get home, 43 miles. Wasn't too bad. Bike felt amazing. But thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace, y'all.